Implementing e-procurement. If you are thinking about making the switch to e-procurement, here are some tips. 1. Know your needs. What are your biggest pain points? What do you hope to achieve? This will help select the most suitable software and functionalities. Software selection. Do your research. There are many e-procurement solutions out there. Consider features, budget, and how it integrates with your existing ERP planning systems. Change management. New system, new way of doing things. Prepare your employees for the transition with clear communication and user training. The future of e-procurement. The future of e-procurement is bright. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, are making their way in, automating tasks further and providing even deeper insights. Imagine AI predicting supplier risks or analyzing spending patterns to identify cost-saving opportunities. E-procurement is getting smarter, and that's exciting. If this clip got your gears turning, then you're going to love the full video on our channel, 10 minutes for supply chain, links in the description below. Don't miss it. Give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment to share your thoughts, and don't forget to share it with your team. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for weekly breakdowns of the global supply chain. Join membership button, become a member for exclusive content, early access, and global logistics insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed, stay ahead, and always supply smart.